Can I eat your sister now?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want you to. I already said.
Why?
Because I don't want you to.
Can I eat your belly?
No.
Why?
I don't want you to. You're
Why?
disgusting.
Oh, but I think you'd be delicious.
No, you can't be delicious. It's something to be disgusting.
Don't kick me. What are you doing, Rascal? Hi.
Can you move out of the way?
No.
I can't see the TV.
You don't need to see the TV. Look at your mama.
I don't want to see the mama. I want to see the TV. I can't.
See your sister? She's being cute. Yeah. So, what is your favorite color?
Orange and red.
Orange and red.
That's my favorite color.
What is your favorite food?
Noodles.
Of course.
What is your favorite food?
What is my favorite food? Probably salad or...
Chili.
No, not chili.
Chili is your favorite kind of fooders.
Lele, what's your favorite kind?
Her favorite kind is milk.
Milk, yeah. You get the milkies. Hi.
Bring in and get the phone.
Who's your favorite mommy?
Jeffner.
Who's your favorite daddy?
Daddy. Dada.
What's his name?
Bruce Rostow now.
Luis Rosana. What's wrong? Maybe Layla needs some milk now.
I think she's crying because she wants it.
Reagan, Janelle, you don't kick me in the face.
Mommy, I just get the phone.
No, you kicked mommy too. What is something that makes you happy?
Happy faces.
What is something that makes you sad?
Something sad.
Like Layla crying?
Yeah.
What is something silly?
Like Lily laughing.
You're crazy. Or what else makes you laugh?
Like Lily Beavers.
Like Pudio.
No, that's not good word. Oh, she's going to be with her little toy.
What is something that you're good at?
Extra stretching.
Extra stretching?
No, it's just stretching.
Oh yeah, you are really good at stretching and doing splits.
Yeah, and stretch.
Boop, boop, boop,
I'm
boop,
trying to hook little beep beepers. Stop! Stop! Get off!
You're a turkey. Love you. I love you.
I love you, Layla.
Layla?
Yes, Layla.